Prosecutors are signaling they will exclude statements the United Healthcare CEO murder suspect made while in custody at the Altoona, Pennsylvania Police Department. The suspect is expected to appear in court for day 9 of a hearing to determine if prosecutors can use some key evidence in the state trial. The defense is arguing officers illegally searched the suspect's backpack and the evidence they found should be thrown out. And now questions are growing about how the suspect was questioned during his arrest. ABC legal analyst Brian Buckmire is here with more on that. Brian, yesterday a New York police lieutenant testified that he set up recording equipment inside that interrogation room without knowing if it's legal to record someone in Pennsylvania without their consent. What does that mean for the statements they're saying the suspect made during that time, and how critical is that evidence to the prosecution's case?
Yeah, so let's just take a step back. We saw questioning yesterday from Mark Agnifilo, and there were some questions as to whether or not this officer knew if Pennsylvania was what's called a 1- or 2-party consent for recording. For example, in New York, if you and I are having a private conversation, it's a 1-party consent. So long as I'm participating in it, I can actually record our conversation. In Pennsylvania, if I'm recording a conversation, both of us need to consent. And so if Luigi Mangione is inside of this interrogation room and he does not consent, and on top of that, he's already asked for as an attorney, those two key factors, saying, I want my attorney, I do not consent or do not have knowledge that I'm consenting to this recording, would be grounds for that recording to be thrown out, and it appears that the prosecution is primed to do that.
What are you watching for today?
I'm looking to see how this ends. I mean, this has been, even for a defense attorney who practices in the state, a long suppression hearing. Are witnesses going to come up for the defense to try to push back on the legality of both the statements and the searching of the backpack? We're talking about 2 different jurisdictions, that being Pennsylvania and New York. While Pennsylvania has their own set of laws, we're in a hearing for New York. So do those search procedures align with New York's law? I'm looking to see who the defense brings, if anyone, to try to win this hearing.
All right, Brian Buckmire, thank you.
My pleasure.